Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video, we've got this 2016 Audi TTS in for a MILLTEK exhaust upgrade. But before we jump into it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also notification bell, and then you won't miss if our new videos go live. So a TTS in for a MILLTEK exhaust. This car is otherwise standard at the moment, so we're going to be fitting a non-resonated catback. So that's going to leave the factory downpipe still in there, the factory cat in place. So it's still going to be emissions, MOT compliant, all of that good stuff, but we're going to be improving the sound and also the aesthetic at the rear as well by replacing the rear exhaust tips with some polished silver ones. So it's going to sound a lot better, and it's also going to look a lot better as well. So yeah, we're going to record the standard exhaust sounds and then also the exhaust sounds after and compare them at the end of the video and let us know which ones you like. But for now, let's get the car in the workshop and show you through the process. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to watch other videos of ours that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you'd like to watch some other videos that we have in the same playlist, then click here. And obviously, if you enjoyed the video, then we really appreciate if you gave us a subscription. And then obviously you'll be updated when other videos of ours go live, and you can do that quite easily by clicking here. Hope to see you soon.